I feel aging faster than your peers. Signs of aging may be on you. Do not worry, and therefore many steps you can take to slow down the aging process on your youth. What are the signs of aging? The aging process has begun with aging, but some factors may accelerate it. Here are some characteristic signs. Changes in the skin, growth, age calendar, dry skin, disappear. Changes in hair, the appearance of gray hair, hair loss, brittleness. Changes in bones and joints, joint pain, bone pain, short stature. Changes in the specific force on concentration, a feeling of constant fatigue, fatigue at exertion, sleep disturbances. Changes in weight, overweight or suddenly dishonorable. How to cope with the signs of aging. There is no magic cure for aging, but there are many medical methods that can help slow down aging besides good health. Healthy and balanced diet. Focus on nutrients rich in vitamins, such as fruits, meat, whole grains, and strong proteins. Basic sport. Sport helps to strengthen bones and joints, helps blood circulation, energy. Get enough sleep. Helps to fall asleep on new cells and simple tissues. Sun protection. Use a sunscreen that tolerates exposure to harmful sunlight. Quit smoking. Smoking accelerates aging and affects heart and blood health. Reducing the topic. Stress can accelerate aging, so look for new methods such as yoga and meditation. So the doctor should help him to detect any health problems that can cause her harm. Note: if you are worried in addition to signs of aging, consult a doctor. We can identify the causes of the problem and the appropriate treatment strategy. Additional tips. Adequate water intake, help skin moisture and body functions. Limit the intake of sugars caused by them. Tohun. These foods contribute to weight gain and accelerate aging. Skin care. Use skin care products specifically for the skin type. Conclusion. Aging is a natural part of life, but with these preparations you can remember the news and life for a good reason. Remember that a diagnosis is better than a cure, so start taking care of your health today. Do you have any other questions about old age?